Hey crew, today's video will be apple French toast, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have apples, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, light brown sugar, eggs, milk, and Texas toast bread. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please consider subscribing to the channel. And once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our apple French toast video. Alright crew, so we're going to jump into our apple French toast video. We're going to start with 3 apples. We're going to peel them. And I'm just going to show y'all me peeling one apple. Then when I peel the other 2, I'll come back. I don't have an apple peeler, so we're just gonna take a knife. Apple number 1. Alright crew, we back. So we simply just gonna cut our apple. Alright crew, so we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to go on with 4 tablespoons of butter into our pan. And we're going to go in with our 4 apples that we cut up. We're going to go in with 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. And we're going to give this a stir. Alright, so here's the goal. We want all the brown sugar to dissolve and the butter to completely melt. We're gonna let it cook. Then once that happens, we're gonna put it on simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we'll add our seasoning, and then we'll remove it from the heat and allow it to cool off and allow it to thicken. And I have it on a medium-high heat. Okay crew, so our butter and our brown sugar has completely melted down and it started to cook. So now we want to put it on a medium-low heat and allow it to simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Okay crew, so we're going to go in with our seasoning for our apples. We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to continue to let this simmer down. Alright, so we're back. We have let our apples cook down. We added everything that we need to add into our pot. So we're going to turn it off, take it off the heat, and allow it to thicken up. So, off. And we're going to take it off the heat. We're going to allow it to thicken up. And now we're about to move on to the next portion of our video for our apple French toast. So moving around along, we're going to keep this train rolling. So we have a bowl here. We're going to go in with 3/4 cup of whole milk right into the bowl. We have 2 eggs that I lightly beat right into the bowl. Make sure we get all that cooked in there. And we're gonna go in with a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Maybe a little over, but hey, who cares? It's yours. You don't necessarily have to do it my way. You can do it your way. So we're gonna give us a quick mix. Alright, so we have 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And y'all know it's not French toast if you don't add cinnamon. So, bam! There goes the cinnamon. And here's the thing. I'm not gonna tell y'all how much cinnamon to add into y'all mixture, because hey, some people like a lot of cinnamon, some people don't like a lot of cinnamon. So at this point, you freestyle. So if you want the whole thing of cinnamon to go in there, you put it in there. It's yours. You gotta eat it, not me. So I'm gonna put cinnamon in there until my heart say stop. So let's add the cinnamon. Bing, 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 bing. If it ain't enough, we gonna make it enough today. Alright, so we about to move along to the next step. We're gonna let this sit for a little while. Then we'll put the bread in there. Alright, crew. So, about to move on to the next part of this video for our apple French toast. We have some Texas toast bread here. We just gonna put it in there. We got our griddle warming up. We're gonna go in with a stick, some butter. So we have our butter on there. We're gonna let this completely drain. We're gonna add a little bit more cinnamon. And this particular mixture right here will make around 6 to 8 slices of bread. And you always want to use like thick cut bread because it's the best, you know. Okay, so I got everything cleaned up. Got a clean area here. These first 2 been on here longer than the other 4, so we're gonna flip the first 2. Oh yeah. When I tell y'all it smells so good, like it smells good, trust me. Alright, so we're gonna let the other sides cook and I'll be back. Alright, crew. So our French toast is ready. I'm gonna show you what it look like. Alright, so we're gonna remove it off the griddle. One more close up. Beautiful. Before we plate this, crew, I just want y'all to see what it looked like. See how good it is thickening up? And it smells so good. But I will say this. I allowed that to thicken up, but y'all know salt brings out that little extra, little zang, you know what I mean? So we're gonna add a little bit of salt. That's it. We're gonna stir it in. Woo. That's beautiful right there. So we got that right there. We're gonna plate our apple French toast.
I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark.
All right, so we have our apples on top of our French toast.
You make it right.
We all know bacon makes everything better. So have some bacon here.
I'd cross the ocean for you. I'd dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you.
All right, so we have our bacon on there.
Give you everything that
We're gonna add another touch to our apple French toast.
baby, take my hand. My heart's emotion.
Sea salt caramel.
Across the ocean.
And there you go.
I heard him say
Our apple French toast. About to give y'all a close up. Alright, crew. So our apple French toast is completely done. And I plated it. So I'm gonna give y'all that famous close up.
we've lost in many ways, but I ain't giving up. Our love will never lose. I'd cross the ocean for you. I'd dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I'd give it everything that you need. Oh, and give me just one chance. Baby, take my hand. Heart's in motion for you.
Alright, crew. So we have the plate here. And I'm gonna get Queen and Baby Girl to try it. And they're gonna give y'all their honest opinion as always. So y'all ladies ready? Let's get it.
You go first. Good morning, y'all.
And this is apple French toast.
I'm gonna start on this side. I'm not getting a big piece. Not that I don't think it's gonna be good, but I'm sick, you guys. So. Just being honest.
Soul is sold out for you. I give you everything that you need. Give me just one chance.
Okay. The French toast itself is very moist and soft. You know, the bread is very flavorful. I love baked apples. Me and Riante, we are huge baked apples fans. It's really good. It tastes just like fall. Like, if you can explain the flavor, that's the best I can tell you guys. It definitely tastes like fall and winter season. Y'all have to try this. It's not overly sweet. It's the perfect, what you call it?
Balance of sweetness and savoriness.
And then that savoriness from the bacon. I can just take all these apples and just eat them by myself.
I got you some over there, and I added a little bit of salted caramel.
And what would push this over the edge for me, if I was feeling better, is a little scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. I know that's not breakfast, but if you're gonna, I'm serious, if you're gonna have it for like brunch or do breakfast for dinner,
Right.
Get you a scoop of vanilla ice cream, put on top.
All right, baby girl, come on. You can cut from another side. You gotta get the apple too. You can't be pushing the apple out.
That's really good.
And y'all, my baby girl, she love French toast. So try it out. Y'all, I don't like her, but I love her.
This one Emma needs to be here.
That's thebomb.com.
Thebomb.com. Apple.
Okay, so first I tasted the apple, and I like fried apples. And then I tasted the bacon and that French toast. If I hit the spot. So I'm just gonna take this whole plate and go eat it. You see it? Now it's gone. Goodbye.
You go.
I can really have it.
Yeah, go. Alright, crew. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my take on apple French toast. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. And once you do that, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all know the saying, pops out. Peace.